This is a file compressed with Bzip2. It's very slow but creates tiny files. It's common in the open source world. 7-Zip handles it easily. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's unzip it. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the BZ2 format fails. More on this later. A BZ2 file is a compressed archive, similar to a zip file, but utilizing the Bzip2 compression algorithm. This format is known for its high compression ratio, often resulting in smaller file sizes compared to other compression methods. BZ2 files are commonly used for distributing software, documents, and other data where minimizing file size is crucial for efficient storage and transfer. The Bzip2 algorithm employs the Burrows-Wheeler transform, move to front coding, and Huffman coding to achieve its compression. BZ2 files are typically created and extracted using specialized compression tools. While offering excellent compression, the Bzip2 algorithm can be slower than other methods like zip, especially during compression. Decompression is generally faster. This BZ2 file is designed specifically for the developer tool 7-Zip by Igor Pavlov. The file's visual data is accessible but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows may offer basic recognition, but viewing or unpacking requires matching archive tools. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your BZ2 file and selecting Open With. Use 7-Zip if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the BZ2 file opens. If your BZ2 file still refuses to open, stay calm. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, use Archive Extractor. Open the file using a robust archive utility like 7-Zip, WinRAR, or WinZip. Next, check for tar. If the file contains multiple files, it is usually a tar BZ2 file. You must extract the BZ2 part and then extract the resulting tar file. Finally, check for corruption. Run the test archive function within the archive utility to check the file's integrity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.